How to recover deleted post on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From here, select Account Center at the top. After that, under the account settings, choose your information and permission. Now select Export your information. Moreover, hit Create Export to begin the process. Then select Export to device and select Media only to include your post and hit Save. After that, choose your date range and format. Also select your preferred media quality. Finally, click on Start Export to create your data file. Once Instagram prepares your file, you will receive an email with a download link. Download the file and you will be able to recover your deleted post. And that's it. I hope this video helped.